Hello everyone, 10th standard. How are you all? I think you are doing study well. Now we are going to start this chapter towards green energy. Let me clear you about your semester syllabus. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth chapter will be coming for your semester. That's why prepared very well. Got it? This is your syllabus. I am going to add this on our WhatsApp group also, but then also you must ready with this studies. Got it? So we do continue our chapter towards green energy. What is green energy? Which is a renewable energy, which is that we having the sources which is natural. Okay, this energy is called green energy. Use of various energy resources to produce this energy which is not harmful and which is a natural one also. So we in this chapter we are going to learn about use of various energy resources, generation of electrical energy, as well as the process of generation of electricity and environment. Got it? So listen carefully. No need to afraid about this chapter. So the all turbine and all water the process is given here, it's all same. You must be clear by yourself, then there is no any fear about this chapter. बहुत बच्चों को लगता है ये बहुत बोरिंग चैप्टर है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ये कैसे याद नहीं रह सकता है. तो आप ये स्केमेटिक एंड न्यूक्लियर प्लॉर प्लांट और स्केमेटिक ऑफ वाटर प्लांट ये सब अच्छे से याद करो कि बेसिक क्या है, हाउ द एनर्जी इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. आपको अच्छे से याद करना है तो आपको ये इजी जाएगा ये चैप्टर. गॉट इट? सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अवर what is energy, that you know very well what is energy, right? What are the different types of energy that you know? Chemical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, muscles energy, muscular energy ना, muscles energy and all. What are the different forms of energy? बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स है ना, जो भी मैंने बोले वही. सो हीट एनर्जी, वाटर एंड ऑल. सो we need to know about it very well. Energy and use of energy. In modern civilization, energy has become a primary need along with food, clothes, and shelter. We need energy in different forms of diverse type of work. The energy that we need may be in the form of mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, light energy, or heat energy. How do we get these different forms of energy? Okay, when the human evolution takes place, at the in the beginning only our food, clothes, shelter was our basic needs, but nowadays food, clothes, shelter as well as this energy is also our basic need. And nowadays we are going to add our mobile, right? Nowadays food, cloth, shelter, energy and mobile is our basic needs, right? Without mobile nothing can happen. So energy is what that you know, it's never created, never destroyed, but it transforms from one form to another, right? Now we eat food energy. See, the sun energy is used by our producers convert into plant. We eat that food, it's convert into food energy. We eat that food and we get our muscular energy, right? Means what? That is only transfer from one form to another, it's never destroyed. Got it? It's from apex level of consumer. See that the energy is only passed from producer to primary consumers, from primary consumers to secondary consumers, from secondary consumers to tertiary apex consumers, and towards the decomposers or the microorganism that we say. Means what happened, this energy is going to less. You have studied that energy pyramids in our 9th standard very well, and in this standard also you have that energy pyramid. Okay, means what, if you see that energy pyramid, it's a decreasing order. It that is in decreasing order means that is in descending order, that is in descending order, but it is transferred from one to another. Got it? We know that the energy can be converted from to one to another. Different sources of energy are used to different some forms of energy necessary for us. In previous standard, we have learnt about energy, source of energy, and various concepts related to them. Here we will learn about the various sources that are not now used for the generation of electrical energy. The methods are that used for this, the scientific principle that are used, three, the advantage and disadvantage of these methods, and also that is meant by the green energy. यहाँ पे हम देखने वाले what is green energy, what it is produced, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage of this green energy. Got it? Generation of electrical energy. Most of the electrical power plants are based on the principle of electromagnetic induction invented by Michael Faraday, the very well known name by us, right? He was the great scientist Michael Faraday. It's the principle on this is all things is best. According to the principle, whenever magnetic field around the conductor changes, a potential difference is generated across the conductor. Means what? The potential difference is generated across the conductor when we use this principle of Faraday's. The field around the conductor can be changed in two ways. If conductor is stationary and magnet is rotating. See, we need to produce green energy, we require conductor. Okay, difference potential energy is change in this conductor only. For if a conductor is stationary, means as it is, and the magnet is rotating, the magnet around it is rotating, the field around the conductor changes. Or if the magnet is stationary but the conductor is moving, then also the field around the conductor will change. If the body is stationary but magnetic field is rotating, means what? The field is changed. Again the field is changed. Means some kind of energy is produced. And if that body is not stationary, it is moving, but the magnet is in as it is, then also due to that moment, it's the field is changed, it's charged. But the conductor is moving, then also field around the conductor will change. Thus the both the in cases the potential difference is created across the conductor. Potential energy है, potential difference है, it's created across the conductor. The electrical power generating machine based on the principle of electric generator. इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर पता है सबको, अभी बड़े बड़े कंपनी में कॉम्प्लेक्स में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जनरेटर होते हैं ना, तो ये प्रिंसिपल इलेक्ट्रिक, ये जो प्रिंसिपल है उस पर ही आधार पे है. द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटिंग मशीन बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर. गॉट इट? सच लार्ज जनरेटर्स आर यूज इन कमर्शियल पावर जनरेशन प्लांट. ये कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं? कमर्शियल पावर, जहाँ कमर्शियली कुछ बिजनेस के लिए किया जाता है, बड़े पैमाने पे किया जाता है, वहाँ पे ये यूज होता है. टर्बाइन इज यूज टू रोटेट द मैग्नेट इन द जनरेटर. टर्बाइन यूज़ किए जाते हैं, जो मैग्नेट है वो जनरेटर के जनरेटर में जो मैग्नेट है उसको रोटेट करने के लिए. अ टर्बाइन हैज़ ब्लेड्स. ये टर्बाइन को क्या होता है? ब्लेड्स होता है. When a flow of liquid or a gas is directed on the blades of turbine, it's rotate because the kinetic energy of the flow. जैसे कि पानी का फ्लो या किसी लिक्विड का फ्लो जाता है तो वो टर्बाइन घूमता है ऐसे ऐसे. Why? Because of the kinetic energy of that liquid. Got it? So दिस टर्बाइन इज कनेक्टेड टू इलेक्ट्रिकल जनरेटर. ये टर्बाइन किससे कनेक्ट होता है? इलेक्ट्रिकल जनरेटर. Thus the magnet in the electric generator start rotating and electric energy is produced. जो मैग्नेट है, कहाँ पे मैग्नेट है? जनरेटर में. इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर में जो मैग्नेट है वो रोटेट स्टार्ट टू रोटेटिंग एंड इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इज प्रोड्यूस. पहले क्या है? टर्बाइन ब्लेड. टर्बाइन इज यूज्ड टू रोटेट द मैग्नेट. टर्बाइन यूज़ किया जाता है मैग्नेट को रोटेट करने के लिए. और मैग्नेट कहाँ होता है? मैग्नेट जनरेटर में होता है. और टर्बाइन के ब्लेड पे लिक्विड डाला जाता है जिसके फोर्स से काइनेटिक एनर्जी से वो रोटेट होता है. तो रोटेट क्या होता है? मैग्नेट रोटेट होता है. तो मैग्नेट रोटेट होता है तो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है. गॉट इट? दिस इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल. ये बेसिक प्रिंसिपल है, इसी आधार पे ये आगे के सारे प्लांट्स है. इट्स में बी वाटर, इट्स हाइड्रोलाइटिक, इट्स में बी इलेक्ट्रिकल, इट्स में बी न्यूक्लियर प्लांट, ऑल आर doing same work like this. Got it? The medium is changed here only. Thus the magnet in electric generators start rotating and the electricity is produced. Here the electromagnetic induction schematic of electric generator यहाँ पे दिया है. स्टीम टरबाइन. स्टीम टरबाइन में क्या है? शाफ्ट है, व्हील, ब्लेड, नोजल जहाँ से पानी आता है, हाई वेलोसिटी स्टीम. देन हियर द रोटेटिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. जो मैग्नेट है वो रोटेट होता है, तो मैग्नेट फील्ड उसका कैसे तैयार होता है? देखो, लाइन्स ऑफ फ्लक्स, कॉइल, इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ, वोल्टामीटर. मीन्स यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इंड्यूस हो रही है, प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. यहाँ पे देखो, स्केमेटिक इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर, rotating electric magnet generated electrical energy. In this method of electric energy generation can be represented as below. Thus a generate electricity based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. We need a generator to rotate the generator. We need a turbine and to drive the turbine. We need an energy source. Based on the type of energy source is used to rotate the turbine, there are the different types of power generating station. The design of the turbine used in a different type of power station is also different. So the basic is what? Proper energy source to run turbine. Means what? It's a water here. Then turbine is rotating now. The magnetic field in generator is start to produce. And in what its form? Electrical energy. Right? सो इज़ द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल है कि जनरेटर में मैग्नेट होता है. जनरेटर में मैग्नेट होता है, उसको टरबाइन अटैच होता है, टरबाइन मूव करता है. टरबाइन किससे मूव करता है? रोटेट होता है टरबाइन वाटर एनर्जी से, लिक्विड एनर्जी स्टीम, यहाँ पे स्टीम से जनरेट करता है. तो जैसे ये रोटेट होना स्टार्ट होता है टरबाइन, स्टीम टरबाइन, ऑटोमेटिकली दैट magnet is also rotating, and when the magnet is rotating, it leads to production of electricity. Got it? It's very simple. So now we see about thermal energy based electric power station. Thermal means what? That you know very well. If you don't know, please tell me on my WhatsApp group. What is thermal? In this turbine is rotated using steam. Water is heated in a boiler using the thermal energy released due to burning of coal. Steam of very high temperature and pressure is generated. The energy in this steam drives the turbine. Thus the generator connected to turbine rotates and electrical energy is produced. The steam is converted back to water and water is recirculated to the boiler. This is shown in figure 5.5. Steam for converting steam back to water. See, flow chart for generating electrical energy using thermal energy. Thermal energy जो है, जो कोल को बर्न करके यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस की जाती है. तो कोल से प्रोड्यूस की हुई एनर्जी जो वाटर है उसको बॉयल करती है, और बॉयल की स्टीम यहाँ पे काम कर रही है. गॉट इट? सी, फ्यूल ऑफ कोल, देन बॉयलर फॉर द कन्वर्जन ऑफ वाटर इनटू स्टीम. यहाँ पे ऐड यही है. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट डायग्राम में देखो डायरेक्ट वाटर था लिक्विड, लेकिन ये सेकंड डायग्राम में क्या है? वाटर है, लेकिन वाटर की उसको बॉयल किया है, उसकी स्टीम यूज़ हो रही है, और उसको बॉयल करने के लिए इन्होंने यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ किया है? फ्यूल ऑफ कोल. देन स्टीम टर्बाइन, then generator again, rotating magnet in generator, then electrical energy is produced. Got it? It's very simple to understand now. Since the thermal energy is used here to generate electrical energy, such power plants are called thermal power plants. जहाँ पे थर्मल एनर्जी यूज़ की जाती है पावर प्लांट एनर्जी बनाने के लिए, उसे कहा जाता है थर्मल पावर पॉइंट प्लांट. द थर्मल पावर प्लांट, द केमिकल एनर्जी इज कोल इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी थ्रू द several steps. विच शोन इन फिगर 5.6 यहाँ पे दिया गया है. केमिकल एनर्जी इन कोल, केमिकल एनर्जी है ना, उसको बर्न किया जाता है. केमिकल एनर्जी इज कोल convert into thermal energy that as shown in before, then that is converted into kinetic energy or in the steam. ओके जो पानी है उसका स्टीम होता है तो वो उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी यहाँ पे उपयोग में लाया जाता है. काइनेटिक एनर्जी इन द स्टीम, देन काइनेटिक एनर्जी लीड्स टू अगेन kinetic energy is rotating that turbine, and that turbine is producing a rotating magnet, and it's lead to production of electrical energy. Got it? एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ थर्मल पावर प्लांट, यहाँ पे स्केमेटिक ऑफ थर्मल पावर प्लांट दिया गया है. सी cooled water, again the steam is converted into cooled water. Here the boiler, pump, condenser, warm water, turbine, pump, generator, fuel, air, combustion gases to stock is there, and cooling water and turbine, pump. If you see this diagram, you going to notice that here are too many things which is given here. Condenser, pump, turbine, means some structural changes are here, but the basic principle is the same. Chemical energy of coal, then thermal energy, kinetic energy in the steam, and kinetic energy in turbine, and electrical energy. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt till this point, then you may ask me. Got it? We will do continue this chapter in our next lecture, and I think I will going to give this take this lecture in this 2-3 days. We will going to finish this. We will be finish this chapter very soon. That's why you need to please do the study of this chapter from 21. Your exam is going to start. Got it? Till then, bye.